Hello there, I'm Chidi. I'm making a new video on this our amazing system that you need to install. We call it a remote control changeover system. As you all know, it is always stressful whenever NEPA take light. Of course, the inverter will take over, but most times you want to on your generator, you have to come down from downstairs to on generator and then on the changeover. But with this amazing system, you don't need to come down. So whenever NEPA take light, all you just need to do is to press a remote control. Then the generator will start and then change over automatically. As the gen is working, if NEPA bring light, it will switch over to NEPA and then off generator automatically. But if in between you want to off your gen, you can as well off your gen through the remote control. So it's a wonderful system. Now let me just start the generator now to show you exactly how the system works. Just like this, one touch like this, the gen will start. Now just watch it, you can change over. Changeover. Now, as the generator is working, whenever NEPA is on the light, just let me actually pick up NEPA and see what will happen. It has changed now, and then the generator is actually shutting down after 6 seconds. Shutting the generator will off. So, God or not, install this company. After 5 days, we can go and see with the system. Installation of our remote starter system for diesel generator. As you all know, it is very stressful to come down to all your generator changeover system. But with this remote system, from anywhere inside your house, when NEPA takes light, yes, if you have inverter, your inverter will take over seamlessly. But if for any reason you want to on your generator, you just need to press the remote like this. Now watch, the generator will start. And after the generator starts, it will change over automatically. You don't need to come down to do the changeover again. And then when NEPA come up, restore light, it will change over to NEPA. Now the generator has started now. Now just watch, it will now change over automatically. Now it has changed over now to generator. You have your generator supply. So as it's working like this, if NEPA bring light, it will change over to NEPA. But if in between, NEPA restore light, it will change over automatically. You can also off as well with the remote control like this. And now the generator is offing like this. So call on us to come and install the system for you.